Hello guys, I'm Balaji Options here and welcome back to my channel. And if you see Nifty continuing to move up in making just a small red candle, but it is not really a red candle, it is not really a bearish candle, right? And it is sort of a bullish candle over here. Same thing for Bank Nifty also, because if you see Bank Nifty has waited in this range for some time, but Nifty has not really waited in this range. But does that mean that the market is already done with its up move, and will the market now consolidate? What can we do is going to be very important, because now either the market can go up from here, go up and continue its up move. Maybe Bank Nifty might go up till 50,000 or come down, right? Come down till 47,000, maybe consolidate in this range. And talking about Nifty also, if we open with a gap down over here, right? If we see any sort of negativity, then we can expect Nifty to also come down at least till 21,200 and then 21,000 levels. These will be the two levels that you need to watch out for, right? And from here we could again see buying coming in, right? From lower levels, and then Nifty might consolidate for some time and then break out again on the upside, right? Or maybe it might consolidate for some time till the budget is done, and then after the budget it might continue to move up, right? So those are the two things that can happen in the market. This week, right? Definitely we will see a momentum either on the upside or on the downside, right? So what can we do is going to be very easy over here. Talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, is making a sort of the buying is not really that strong. So now two things can happen: either the market opens with a gap up again, or sort of opens positive. Even opening flat is also fine, and then comes down a little bit, and then we go ahead and take a bullish trade from here till 49,000 levels. That is one thing that can happen, right? Second thing that can happen is that market opens with a gap down below 48,000. Now below 48,000, a lot of people will start losing their faith in buying, or rather, they will start booking their profits, and below 47,800 market will become a little weak again, and then we can expect the market to come down till at least 47,000 on the downside, right? Because that is the good support that we can see. Maybe market might take support from this trend line over here, or the market might come down till 47,000. Those are the two targets that we can see on the downside for Bank Nifty if we open negative. If we open positive, then we can expect market to move up a little bit, but I would recommend you guys to not really go very aggressive on the buying, at least till the budget is done, because whenever there is budget, there is some sort of a profit booking in the market, right? If you see, this was the previous budget, and if you see, market still was consolidating and was looking a little bullish over here, not really bearish, because if you see, the buying was very fast over here previously, but then the selling was not really that fast. But if you see, just before the budget there was huge selling in the market. This was the budget day over here, if you see, right? And before that, if you see, the market saw a very big sell off, right? I'm not saying that the market will again see a sell off, right? Please do not get me wrong, right? I'm not saying that market will again see a sell off. That we cannot decide, right? Will the market see a sell off or not? The only thing that we can decide is that what is the market telling us, right? And then we can decide our actions, right, from whatever the market is telling us. Now the market is telling us that, okay, I'm still bullish over here, I'm consolidating at higher levels, and then I could continue to move up this week, right? Maybe market might go up from here, break this high, but trap all the buyers and again start to come down. And again, that is also something that we have a plan for. We need to make a plan for, what do I do if that happens in the market? What do I do if this happens in the market? So that's how we need to plan it, right? We do not need to predict the market, we need to react to it, right? So sure, there is a sort of prediction involved, but mostly it should be reacting to the market movements. What is the market telling us, and then reacting according to it. Talking about Nifty is also continuing to move up, right? Sure, Nifty has not really taken a break in the weekly chart. If you see, every week Nifty is continuing to move up, right? And Nifty has not really broken a previous swing also over here, if you see. So, you know, still the market is telling us that, don't short me right now. Wait for it, wait for the market to break a swing. Maybe wait for the market to break 21,500. As I said, 21,500 is going to be a very important level, right? And that did not get broken, and market is still continuing to move up. So we will not try to catch the top over here. We'll just continue with the move over here. Maybe Nifty might go till 22,000, then see a sell off, right? Maybe, is just 300 points away. So, not really, just 1.5% away. So not really a big deal for Nifty to continue to move till 22,000, right? And then see a sell off maybe, right? So again, as I said, we will not go ahead and try to catch the top in the market, right? Wherever the market tells us that it is going to stop, we will go ahead and take a uh, we'll then go ahead and get bearish or maybe leave our bullish position or leave our bullish stance. For tomorrow in Bank Nifty, it is going to be very simple. If we open with a small gap up, that will be the best thing to happen for us, because let's say we open at 48,350, 48,300, and then we take a little bit of pullback till 48,200 to 150. This zone basically, from here, once we see that market is taking support from this level, we can then go ahead and take a bullish trade, because market is in a bullish area and market has opened with a gap up. If you see, market has tested basically these levels on the upside, 48,400, for a very long time. So now if the market continues to move up, maybe above, maybe goes up above these levels, a lot of people will start squaring off their position, because a lot of people will have their stop losses over here, right? And when they will see that the market is going up, they will square off their positions very fast, and then we can expect a short covering, maybe back up till 48,600. Maybe it might even take us up till 49,000 on the upside, right? So tomorrow, if we open with a slight gap up and start taking support from this zone, basically 48,100 to 200, this 100-point range is going to be very important. If you are seeing that market is taking support and making positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here, and then we can expect, keep our first target first of all at 48,430, 450. That will be our first target. Second target will be 48,600, because then the market might consolidate over here for us for a little while and then break out on the upside, right? So for tomorrow, these will be our targets, but then we can also keep 49,000 on a positional basis if you are holding your trades on a positional basis, right? But again, always remember that market will not spend a lot of time over here before breaking out, or even if it spends a lot of time, it will not show us very good selling, right? Something like this, or it will not make such big selling candles over here on the top. It will make very small selling candles, and then it will break out on the upside again, right? So that is if we open with a slight gap up. If we open flat and again just consolidate over here for a little while below 48,300 for the first half over here, and then if we are breaking out above 48,300 in the second half, then we can again go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Again, our target then will be 48,500 first of all, and then 48,600 on the upside, because then we can expect the market to not really wait at 48,400 and just continue on the upside, right? If we open with a gap down below 48,000, right, then two things can happen. Either the market goes below 48,000 and goes back up very fast. That can happen, something like this over here. Or if the market is sustaining below 48,000 and below 47 or near 47,900, then we'll go ahead and take a bearish trade as soon as we see negative price action being formed below 47,900, right? Always wait for negative price action in 5-minute chart. And if you're seeing that market is sustaining over here for a long time, and when the market has started to break down over here, then you can go ahead and take a bearish trade over here, because then below 48,000, a lot of people will start squaring off their positions. Maybe what might happen tomorrow is that at the opening itself, market opens below 48,000 and goes down very fast, right? So again, below 47,900, wait for negative price action, and you can start adding quantity over here and go aggressive below once this low is taken out, and market sustains below this low for maybe for maybe 1 5-minute candle, and then you can go very aggressive over here. Not very aggressive, but basically you can start adding more quantity till 47,500 on the downside. That will be your intraday target, and then we can also expect 47,000 in the coming days. It might not come tomorrow itself, but yes, it will definitely come on the downside, right? So that will be our plan for the downside. Talking about Nifty, if you see, Nifty is still continuing to sort of be bullish over here, and in the end, Nifty also saw very good buying in it, right? So what can we do in Nifty is going to be very simple. I'm going to just go ahead and extend this. And if you see, this zone is going to be very important again, 21,680 to 680 to 690, you can say. And if the market opens flat and just consolidates over here for a little while and then breaks out about 21,720, then we can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Our first target will be 21,750. It is not really a big target over here in Nifty, but then after that we can keep a target of 21,800 on the upside, because then the market has a sort of a clear range till 21,800. Then Nifty might consolidate over here for a little while and then break out in the maybe the next day, right? So that is if we open flat. If we open with a gap up somewhere near 21,750 itself, then we'll wait for a little bit of pullback till 21,700, 21,710 to 21,680. In this 30-point range, wherever we see that Nifty has started to take support and make positive price action, that is where we'll go ahead and take a bullish trend. Again, back up till 21,750 first of all, and then 21,800 on the upside, right? Try not to buy at higher levels because things could be a little bit, volatile over there. On the downside, 21,640 to 650 will be a very important level, right? Below this level, if the market is even sustaining near these levels, and if it is breaking 21,640, then we can go ahead and take a bearish trade in Nifty. Our first target will be a small one till 21,600, but then we can keep another 100-point target till 21,500, because then there is no really there is not really any sort of a support, and then we can see a very good sell-off on the downside till 21,500. So first target will be a small 21,600 target, but then we can have a big 100-point target till 21,500 on the downside, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Mostly if you open flat or if you open gap up, basically if we do not open negative, chances are market will again continue to move up and we could see a bullish momentum continuing on the upside in Nifty till 22,000 and in Bank Nifty till 49,000 on the upside, right? Maybe Bank Nifty might again continue to Bank Nifty this week might continue to sorry, not might continue, but might take a little bit of lead over Nifty, because Nifty has been continuously moving up, whereas Bank Nifty not really so much, right? Bank Nifty is a little bit lower, and Bank Nifty has also consolidated in weekly and daily charts, so maybe Bank Nifty might show us good momentum. But again, as of now, both Nifty and Bank Nifty have good setups, so you can basically trade in both of them, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.